So same deal for the front. I have it at ride height, and we drove it up on some ramps. I've leveled out the heads. We got the tape measures going across just the same as we did the back. And we got about, where are we at? 77 on the front tape measure and 77 on the rear tape measure. So especially on something that's stanced like this where we got so much negative camber, I think we're probably pretty good running about 0 toe. It's gonna be maybe a little loose on the highway because of the 0 toe. You should really have a little bit of toe in, but that's gonna save the tires as much as possible. And on a car like this where you got so much negative, it's like 8 degrees negative in the rear, tire wear is a sacrificial piece. So I think it's ready to go for a drive.